Imagine this, you're sitting on an app idea that could be the next big thing. It solves real problems, feels slick, and you can picture it trending on the App Store. But then comes the not-so-fun part, funding. Because even the best ideas need cash to take off. The upside? You don't need fame or a Silicon Valley address. All you need is just a plan. And that's exactly what we're breaking down for you. Let's talk about some tips and real ways to get your app funded. Step 1, don't chase funding. Build leverage first. See, investors chase 3 things: a clear user problem, early traction, and a founder who's building and showing up. Skip the full build. Show proof. It's best to launch a landing page, then pull AI heat maps, sentiment scores, and micro A/B tests to show there's demand for your idea. If your idea echoes something that exists, reshape it. As you know, copycats flop. Pitch it as, here's the problem, the data, and our growth path. Walk in with real user patterns pulled by smart AI, but easy enough that anyone can see people already want this. Step 2, start with smart, small money. All right, listen up. VCs, they play big games. If you're not trending on Twitter or TechCrunch, they're not interested. So start smaller and smarter, such as find angels on LinkedIn X and pitch them. Look for niche pros such as doctors for health, lawyers for legal tech, micro syndicates on AngelList or Republic. You're not just asking for money, you're inviting them into a mission. And yes, before making them join, it's best to put in your own money. Step 3, let AI reel in investors. Picture this. Your phone pings, let's talk, before you even hit send. Tools like Signal IQ mine deal data, flag angels hungry for your niche, and auto-craft emails tuned to their thesis. So you skip cold calls and jump straight to warm checks. Step 4, share with your network. Tell your friends and network what you're building, why it matters, and exactly how funds will be used. This clarity builds trust. Friends might not invest, but they'll introduce the person who will. Drop a short AI-generated explainer video in your update. After all, polished visuals travel faster. Step 5, the classics that are worth trying. Bootstrapping, your own cash or credit, friends and family. Fast, but tread carefully. Crowdfunding, Kickstarter, GoFundMe, AI copy tools boost conversion. Incubators guide, accelerators add cash, and mentors. SBA or bank loans, tougher but possible. VCs join this game once metrics shout unicorn. When the money lands, partner with a proven development company like JPLoft. They're well known for integrating AI-ready architecture from day one and helping turn funding into the next big thing. Go build, validate with AI, raise smart capital, and launch.